Hello world, Becca here from Inside the Square with another CSS tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to easily center your mobile menu using CSS. You can do this for both Brine and Bedford templates using these codes. There is a difference between the two codes. If you're using a Bedford theme template, the code is called sidecar nav. If you're using a Brine theme template, it's referred to as mobile-overlay-nav-item and mobile-overlay-folder-item. Now, why they have different names? Who knows? That's how Squarespace made them. But all I know is that this CSS works, so that's what we're going to play with today, okay? So starting with Bedford, that's what this demo site is built in. I'll show you how to adjust your mobile menu. We're going to go to Design, and then down to Custom CSS. Now again, it's called Sidecar Nav, so we're going to paste that right here. This code's beneath the video. And let's go ahead and look at our mobile preview. We're going to click down in the very top and take a look. Our text is now aligned center. Here's what it looked like before we put the code in on the left. And here's what it looks like after, when it's centered. Now let's say you'd actually like for your navigation to take up the whole screen instead of having this little blank bar over here. You want it to be completely centered across everything. That code is beneath the video as well. If you paste that there, we will actually make the width of this entire menu take up the whole screen of the mobile device that's being used. So again, that's to align the text in the center is the first code. And if you'd like it to take up the whole screen, that's the second code beneath the video. Now, if you're using Brine, stick around. We're going to take care of that one next. Here in my Brine demo, I've already got the menu open. We're going to go over to Design and then down to Custom CSS. Now down here, we're going to paste the slightly longer code, again beneath the video. This code tells it to align all of the text center. Now you'll notice there's a little bit of a gap there. That's because I have my primary navigation and my secondary navigation aligned center. Now let's say you'd like this to take up the entire width of the mobile device. We want to make this a full screen menu. That secondary code is beneath the video, and that'll get rid of that little bar on the left and center everything for you. So again, that's text aligned center, and then we can stretch the mobile menu across the entire screen. Both the codes for Brine and Bedford are beneath this video. Oh, and most important part, my friends, select save when you're done. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching and have fun with your Squarespace website.
If you liked this tutorial, you'll love my guide to mobile mods. Make your site look good on every device. Learn more at insidethesquare.co/mobile mods.